everyone. I'm right now going to play with this. I already built it, the Colossal construction zone. So I'm going to decorate it with all of these and 8 vehicles and all these decoration construction pad things. There's one there's an exchange of the hook and a claw. Other people who have this, give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So let's get started. We have these, we have the cones, well not really cones. There's some triangles, have a stand on the back, and they also look like paper airplanes if you see right here. And we have a second one which is, so I actually found them. The other one was just staying there, I don't know why. But if you commented, you did not need to. Because it pulls off, it was right there all this time. If you saw that, thank you for me, but got these two. Got 2 of these signs. Got 2 bridge thingies. And I got these stuff. A cement one for some pouring cement. And they got one cone here and one cone here. We've got 3 rocks, well that's 2. One more must be somewhere there. I'll just keep 2 here and down the truck. And oh, here's the third one. We have 8 vehicles. So I have a car, a dump truck, another car, a carrier, and 2 baby cars. Carrier, 1 baby car, and then 2 baby cars, so 2 of them. 1 Jeep, and 1 escalator. I mean a front loader. And that's all the vehicles we have. And let's start to arrangement, then let's start playing. So I already fixed the stickers here. And then let's start with these cones. Let's take them. We have cones here. So let's keep a cone over there. And then let's start with these paper airplane thingies, which I forgot their name. You could comment down below what their name is and I'll see it. So I could tell you that's correct or not. And I'll choose the best one with a thumbs up and I'll reply if it's good or not. Or I mean like if it's correct or not. That's what I'll reply. So these 2 will go somewhere in the back. So let me keep it somewhere. Right here, next to the crane right there, and then next to where the dump trucks will stay. So these 2 will go right by this rock. From the start of it, near where the front loader goes, and then the end where the bridge is, and then next to these 2 signs. And then these 2, one will go. One will go right in the mid next to this, and one will go right there. Next would be the cement. The cement would go, it's some concrete cement, whatever they call it. You don't have to type in the comments what it is. You already know it's mint. And then I'll keep it right here where the front loader will stay. Right here next to this paper airplane sign thingy, which is not its correct name. And then let's keep the front loader in its place in there. And let's keep it next to it right there. Good. Will be these two things. Well, both of them I did not do neat. This one is very not neat. Well, kind of neat, but this one just ripped off. So this one's kind of neat, and this one's definitely not. So let's keep these two right here. One right there, right here, and one again right there. Well, I think I should move these two. Good. Then let's take these two kind of bridge thingies, which I don't know what they are. Tell me in the comments again what these two are, if you know. And the same thing that I said. Good. Then it doesn't snap in, so you just have to keep it somewhere. Let's see, where should we keep it? So this can be over in the back, right with the crane, right here. Good. Next, we can just keep these vehicles anywhere we want. Well, first, let's fix the carrier with this. So these two grabbers right here will snap on this way. See, these lines inside will go there. But if you go on this side, it goes for the outside. So let's snap it in. So I moved this down here, and then I fixed this already. Then see this? There's a bump right here, and then, well, let's take these two cars down, and look, it would be easy for them to take out. But if it was like this, it would be like, hey, come up, get on. And then that's why this is here. And see, these will protect it from sliding off. Like the sweeps. So let's go in. The first car won't just stop here. It'll go forward, and then, once you hear that, it'll stay there. Here it is. It's just hanging out right there. Then we could just close this. Well, hold on. Just need to find this out, how to do it. Figured out how to do this. Then, well, he cannot reach it, so we'll help him. Whoop! Ding dong. You skipped it right there on the top to watch the air. That is a frog. Okay, so I got the carrier loaded with two baby cars, and then there's two baby wheels also, which are the same wheels on this on the baby cars. Then we have giant cars. These two are giant cars with giant wheels, but they're different than these. These ones are mostly the soft plastic. Not like, if you know what these are made of, comment down below again. Same like those two again. And tell me what these are made of. Choose the best one. I'll do that. And these are just made of normal plastic. And these are made out of clear plastic, while these are not. These will never go on a carrier. They're too big. Only the small cars are big enough for it. So it will go there. So so since you cannot see it, the carrier was there. I'm gonna move it across the car and right here. And you're probably gonna stay right here. Oh, look at this so you can see these two and the button. And it has a sticker. So let's take this big car. You can place it anywhere we want. We don't have to do anything for this. Let's keep it next to the carrier right there. Then let's take the red car, place it right here. We don't have to do it again. Then the same thing with this Jeep. Like when you go somewhere in Australia, you will need this, not just a plain car like this, because you're going to be out in the heat. So this is the best car to choose out for the desert in Australia. Or any kind of desert. So let's keep this one. So let's keep this over here. And then, last but not least, we have the dump truck. And here he dumps. There, he got all of those dumped. Truck, which can dump stuff. Of course, from all them, but for little kids, I'm saying that. So he will go over here. So, dump truck, as I said, the dump truck would go here. And there's a hole that you might not see, but if you see it, you have good eyesight. Because the camera's not that good, but it is. It's a Sony one. So, he goes under here. So, if you see it, look what the crane is going to do. Let's take one rock and let's place it in this. So, let's keep this stone into here. Then let's close the jaw, leave it, and it will not fall. There it is. Then, let me stand up. And then, I'll lower this down. And then, hold on, I'll just... Then I'll go back down, open it, and then get in the truck. I'll just keep it right away, and then I'll close it like this, like a chopstick. Good. In the truck, just dumped it by itself, which is quite crazy. So I did arrange everything. If you see this, and this, we don't need this. Well, we can use this as an exchange, so we'll keep it right here. And these two, I'll keep them away. So, I took the dump truck out. Let's keep it where it is, right here. Let's keep the stones somewhere safe. With this camp truck. Keep it on his head. Well, it doesn't work. Hold on, try this one. Yes. Keep one truck there, one right there, and one right there. And where's the other going to go? Yeah, where's the other? Oh well. He's somewhere. Well, we don't have to worry about that, so I'll just start to play because it is time to do it. I replaced the cones, one on the rock, one on here. There. Then, let's start with the normal car. which is blue and red. Inside red and outside blue. So he's going to go right here. He goes up this. Then let's take this one. Uh-oh, he has to wait because a bridge went up. So someone goes through, and the bridge comes down. Then he can go. He makes a turn. Is it on? So he will go onto the step side. How will he get out? Well, he can turn a little bit, but he cannot turn all the way. So the next tip would be to go back, because I don't know how to fix that thing. Then he'll go back, but stop, because the second car is here. I meant hold him. Let me try. He comes back, but he has to stop where he is, because da 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 da. Ding, ding, ding. Then the bridge goes down, the drawbridge. Then he goes backwards on the bridge. Then, uh-oh, watch out! He comes down, crashing, facing towards the carrier. Then the carrier wants to go somewhere with a delivery to the crate. And I found the third rock. The 3 rocks. Then I kept one right there, and the second right there. I moved myself over here because we didn't see it. Then the carrier has to drop off the kids one by one. Take out the rocks. Take one children down. Ah! Yeah, I'm safe. Then the other one. Good. Whoa, whoop! Let's go. Wait, good. So they cannot get in, or they cannot fly. We cannot help them because look, she's driving away. This time nobody's coming back, so she could just walk off, staying on the bridge. And she just and she got her rock. Oh, crane! Yes. I have some rocks for you. Okay, come pick it up. Where are you? At the bridge. Oh, I could. I see you. So, how do I modify? Can't go back. I'll go. Can you? Oh, go down. Oh no! Drop the rock. There. Then, okay, can you catch the rocks while I'm saying it? Okay. Hey. Open. And one gets in, one more goes in. Then they chomp. The rocks got in, one is peeking out. Then it stops swinging. Then the rope will, then the wick will stop. And then he'll drop the rocks to the dump truck. Then he'll pull back and become normal, as he was supposed to be. Right there. Then the dump truck will go deliver it to somebody else, which is presenting the front loader, who is going to make cement out of the rocks, which is going to melt in his incinerator. be careful not to arrange all the rocks. So he has it. Good. So he takes the rocks and he goes in. He does the incinerating. He takes this, then he does something. Hold on a sec. Then it gets the cement. The cement. This thing broke. So the rocks will form something. Then cement is here. I have cement. So you could do something with it later. This thing will have to do something. So right now let's do something. Beep. Now the lens is on, which is so clear, so you can see the cement, what it's doing. Now this can rotate without pouring. So this will happen all day long. And also there's a lens cap inside it. So if it breaks up any time, like this, it won't spill still. And sometimes there's a robotic arm that I'm going to build soon near the incinerator that will keep the pieces back together. Ah, so that's what you've been doing all week.
Is the video on?
Oh, you just disrupted it. So, this will stir all day, and I'm gonna work on my robot by now. Well, till sunset. Then I'll get some rest, eat, and then get some fuel, which is my food, because I just have this much fuel. So I can last for that much, but I have to drive for 15 hours to get to the city. Because we're right now in the countryside. So we have to drive for 15 hours. And that time I might stop, then Carrie cannot lift me, which she's all the way up there doing something. But you know what? I'm going back down. Okay, she's back down. Then I have to drive for 15 hours, which I already said. Then I'll run out of fuel. Carrie cannot pick me up. And then I'll just lose fuel. Who can drive me? Well, I'm big enough to store you. I could come with you because I have just full fuel. Oh, that's great. How can it last for at least 15 days? What? That's so awesome. I'm going to be out for just a day. And also I have to bring all my equipment for all of that robot because I'm also going to stay there for 5 days and build that. Great, I'm going to help ya. Good, because it needs a lot of help. So maybe, hey Lou, yeah? Is it okay if you come with me all the way to the city, get some fuel, and can you also help me get all the pieces? Well, I could also carry that. Okay, maybe you could just carry a few, cause you're gonna carry, dump truck, yeah? You're going to carry me sometime for 15 hours, my fuel's almost done. So I'm kind of almost going to do that. So So let's get our journey all the way there. So I think that's it. So let me get all the equipment which we need. Which means we also need some more rocks. So let me get all my equipment, which is rocks. So can you get it, Jumchuck? Okay. So let me get it now. The rocks that I need, because this is going to be a mechanic rock machine. So let me get those rocks over there. Great, I got the stones, because I did use some of the cement stones. Well, this did not do this. This will need to dry. Well, it does for 5 days. Then I'll keep some more cement, dry cement, which I'm going to use from these stones. Okay, I think I could do that, but okay, I'll do that. Good, I fixed it back, and it's going to stay like this for 5 days. And I got all my stones, and now the truck can carry it. Let me keep it in you. Turn back around. Okay, here, keep it. Okay, hold on, I just need to get a little high. Huh. Good. You're all set. Okay, remember, do not spill. And hold on, I'm going to get up like this. Hiya! Well, you kind of, whoa! Are you okay, bro? Yeah, so I'm not actually your brother when you say bro. Yeah, I know that. I'm just saying bro for nothing. Ha ha! Oh! Again! Ah! There, that's better. So, I have that. You're gonna stand like this. Hiya! Whoa! Or maybe I could just pull you like this. Dun 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 dun. Then we're just a normal, crazy truck doing something. So that's how you will drive if you run out of fuel. Okay, I'll just go to the gas station. Oh, I mean, I have to drive right now and I cannot fuel up. Which I have to wait for 15 hours until I get to the city. It is going to take a miraculous 15 hours to get to the city. And I'm definitely going to run out of the fuel. And that means you have to drag around the public people like crazy. Then you're like, who is here? Why do we have Mr. Fuzzy? Because that's what my actual name is, Mr. Fuzzy. Oh, just stop doing that, bro. Just get out. Mr. Fuzzy. It's pronounced Mr. Fuzzy. Okay, I actually go, okay. I don't know what to do. I'm like barely have fuel. So we better get driving by now. Oh well, I'm just going to also drive because I have a really good fuel. Yeah, I just have okay, I'm running out. I ran out of fuel. Let's go. No, I don't need to put. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Whoa! Alright. We made it to the city! We have the dump truck. We have the front loader, and we have Louis the normal car. And I know for you that's very close, but I'm just pretending that this is 15 hours. So that is where the city is. And I'll see you at the gas station. Go. House. I think it's over there. Let's rent it. Okay. Let's see how much money we have. Deep, 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 deep. I have 50. I have 52. I have 50. And this house is just $140. Now we have $10 to save. And 50 cents. Which is fine because I have 30 cents. I meant 60. So 10 cents and $10 we'll all have. I'll have $5. You will have 5. And you'll have 5. I don't know. Well, we're just all going to have $15 or something. I don't know. Let's just rent it. Okay, give me all that money that you have, like the $50. And we all are going to have $10 each. So then we are going to have $30 left that we could share. And give me all the money, because it's like one person renting it, so like paying the money. And more than 3 people, and 5 people can only stay, so we're 3 people, so we could stay. Okay, give me all your cash. Thank you. Good. And I'll have the 10 cents. I meant I'll have 10 cents to save. And I'm going to give all the 50 cents to the cashier. Let's go. I mean, not you two. Hold on. Only one person, one person or truck who is alive here or in the countryside will come, and one person can come and pay the money. So I got your money, and let's pay it. Since I'm best friends, I'm not going to take your money, okay? I promise. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. Okay, we know. Okay, and we paid. So, yes, I know. Yeah, I'm going to pay you the money. Here you go. Okay, we're in the house. So, they can come in. They're going in. Here they are, and here he is. The entrance is behind the house. And they're staying in the bottom floor of room 15. Okay, not a big deal. I just go. Okay. So, the second story will end here. So, we will continue at the house later. So, I'm going to stop the video again. In 3, 2, 1. We have to jump over it? Oh, yeah, because this is the fun hotel. Whee! Louise in the house. Next, it is the front loader. Yeehaw! He goes in front of Louis. Right there. Second would be Mr. Fuzzy. He is going to jump, but carefully, because he does not want to drop the rocks. Yeehaw! Good. I'm like, okay, let's jump. Good, we have 3 rocks, which has 15 millimeters of each, which is fine for your robot, because it's going to be 3 inches tall, so we could do that. So let's do it. Okay. First, we need to do with our incinerator, which we don't need because we already have an incinerator because we're in the garage, you know. Well, this is not actually a hotel. We're in the garage doing something. And look, they have their own incinerator right here. So, we're going to stop this video for a second. So, my hand is pretend cement, and let's start. The three friends had their cement and they were starting to work the robot. So this is the end of the video. I'm making a part 2 next time. I hope you liked this video. Thank you. Bye bye.